Hi friends, I'm myself Abhishek. I hope you're doing well. I came across with another problem which was asked one of the interview, and that is came from the lead code. Problem is write an SQL query to report the second highest salary from the employee table. If there is no second highest salary, the query should return report null. So I have created two table. So one table is employee and second table is employee two. In employee two a table has these three rows, and employee two table has this one row. If I'm going to select anyone, select start from employee, then what will happen? You will see this one. If I'm going to give the employee two, now you can see this. So my output required only higher salary, highest salary. If no higher salary, then it will return null value. So I'm going to write a query. I will give the answer in five way. I have a five way. I am going to give the. I'm not going specifically. I'm not going to give the solution, but a specific database. I'm trying to give the solution for which will run for every on-premise database. So first what will I do? Select max salary as salary from employee where salary. First way I'm doing salary is less than select max salary from employee table. I'm going to close this bracket. So this is the first way for first one. Let's see, it will give the output. Yeah, this if I'm going to check for the second one, second table has a no second max highest salary, so it should give the null value. No, 1 minute. Okay, I have to give here also second. 1 minute. Control Z, Control Z. I will copy this query from here, and for second table I will paste here and will give here second. If I'm going to run this, you will see the null value. Okay, this is the first way. Now I'm going to do in second way. First way, and I'm going to do second way. So second way, what can I do right now? So I will use not in. Select, I will use not in. Same, same query I will going to use. I will modify the things. Here I will give the instead of it not in, and here I will give use not in. Now I'm going to run. Let's see it will give the or not. It gives this 200 and it will give none. Now third way, third way, third way, I will use a join condition here. Select, I will use select here, and this select max, use salary from employee table employee, and will join with the same. Will join, not going to join, I will give the same employee. Cross join I'm going to use employee e to where e dot salary is greater than e to the salary. Let's see whether it will give or not. Correct. Yes, salary. Okay. Now what I will give here, I will use e dot salary. Now I'm going to run this and let's see whether it is giving output or not. No, it is giving max from there. So I have to give this way. Now it will give 200. And I want to do for second. So I will give this query here. I will use this employee 2, employee 2. Now I'm going to run this and let's see null should null value will give. Now I'm going for fourth way. Fourth way I will use a ranking function, Windows function. Using Windows function, way join using Windows function and Windows function. So first of all, I will write a select star comma dense rank. What will give over order by salary TESC then salary is from employee table E. I will give as a rank equal to 2. Sorry, I will give the rank. Then I'm going to close this one bracket. I will select salary from this table and where RNK equal to 2. Now I'm going to run this. So it will give the 200. If I'm going to do for second one means nothing but employee 2, so it should give null value. It should give because second rank is not there, that's why it is not giving any value. Once I will check this one. So this is one rank, there is no rank, that's why it is printing nothing record. So I hope you are getting correct. So I'm going to stop this video for next session. Okay, actually I have not given max salary. I have not given here, so I have to give the max. But if why I will give the max function? So if I'm giving to max, it will give the null value. So you will get this way. But as per my understanding, max is not required because we are using a rank function. And we can use it, we can put it into the common table expression, and I will call the city and give this condition. That will become as a fifth way. So I hope this video is enough good for you. So I'm requesting you, please like and subscribe my channel. Is there any correction, any suggestion from your side, please note down in comment, so I will keep in next video. Thank you very much for watching. Keep like and keep subscribe.